The story of the London Eye. A long time ago, people in London wanted to build something special. They wanted a new landmark for the year 2000. They wanted this landmark to celebrate the new millennium and bring joy to visitors. That is how the London Eye was born. When was the London Eye built? The construction of the London Eye started in 1998. It took over a year to build. The grand opening happened on March 9, 2000. Since then, the London Eye has become one of the most popular attractions in the world. At first, it was meant to stay for only 5 years, but it became so popular that it is still here today. Who designed the London Eye? The London Eye was designed by a team of architects and engineers. Two famous architects, David Marks and Julia Barfield, came up with the idea. They wanted to build a giant Ferris wheel that would give people a beautiful view of London. It was also supported by British Airways, the airline company. That is why the London Eye was sometimes called the BA London Eye in the early years. How was the London Eye built? Building the London Eye was not easy. It is 120 meters, 394 feet wide, and 135 meters, 443 feet tall. It needed many strong steel parts to stay safe and stable. First, the wheel was built flat on the ground. Then, it was slowly lifted into place over the River Thames. It took several weeks to raise the wheel to its full height. What does the London Eye look like? The London Eye looks like a giant Ferris wheel, but it is much bigger than a regular one. It has 32 capsules that look like glass bubbles. Each capsule can hold up to 25 people. The capsules are made of clear glass, so visitors can see all around London. The ride takes about 30 minutes, giving people enough time to enjoy the view. At night, the London Eye lights up in beautiful colours. It often shines in blue, but for special events, it changes to other colours. What can you see from the London Eye? When you ride the London Eye, you can see many famous landmarks in London, such as Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, St Paul's Cathedral Tower Bridge, the River Thames, Buckingham Palace. On a clear day, you can see as far as 40 kilometres, 25 miles. Who can ride the London Eye? The London Eye is open to everyone. Many people from all over the world come to enjoy the ride. Families, couples and tourists love it. There are also special rides available. Some people book private capsules for birthdays or weddings. Others ride the London Eye at night to see the city lights. How is the London Eye used today? The London Eye is not just a ride, it is also a place for celebrations. During New Year's Eve, fireworks light up the sky around the London Eye. It is a beautiful sight that people watch on TV or by the river. The London Eye also helps raise money for charity. Sometimes, special events are held inside the capsules to support good causes. How popular is the London Eye? The London Eye is one of the most popular attractions in the United Kingdom. It welcomes millions of visitors every year. Since 2000, more than 70 million people have ridden the wheel. Many people say that a trip to London is not complete without a ride on the London Eye. Why is the London Eye special? The London Eye is special because it is not just a ride. It is a symbol of modern London. It shows how technology and design can create something beautiful and exciting. It is also special because it brings people together. Friends, families and tourists all enjoy the ride and make happy memories. Safety on the London Eye. The London Eye is very safe. Engineers check it every day to make sure everything is working well. The capsules move slowly, so people can easily get on and off. There are also staff members to help visitors and answer questions. What makes the London Eye unique? The London Eye was the largest Ferris wheel in the world when it opened. Today, other wheels are taller, but the London Eye is still one of the most famous. What makes it special is the way it stands by the River Thames, giving people a beautiful view of both the old and new parts of London. Tickets and visiting the London Eye visitors can buy tickets to ride the London Eye online or at the entrance. Some people choose to buy a fast-track ticket to avoid waiting in long lines. There is also a 4D cinema experience included with some tickets. This short movie shows the London Eye and the city from exciting angles. The London Eye today. The London Eye continues to be one of the most loved attractions in London. It is a place where people create happy memories. Whether you ride it during the day or at night, the experience is always magical. Conclusion. The London Eye is more than just a Ferris wheel. It is a symbol of joy, innovation, and celebration. It brings people closer to the beauty of London and offers a unique way to see the city. If you ever visit London, don't miss the chance to ride the London Eye. It will be an experience you'll never forget.